To substitute something means to replace something or to exchange it for something else. We substitute and exchange for something, but the preposition with replace is with. To replace with, exchange, substitute for. For the noun, we can say a substitution. What is a healthy substitute for butter? A good substitution is margarine. In sports, we substitute players. We can also here abbreviate to sub someone for someone else or to sub someone out, and we call that person a sub. We only use sub when talking about sports.